smiling, laughing, or even frowning, do you notice yourself experiencing the emotion associated with these expressions? Hi Bright Light, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time tuning in. I am super appreciative of your views. My name is Brie Mosquera and I am a Law of Attraction Mindset Coach. On this channel, you will find everything on Law of Attraction, manifesting, self-development, and wellness. So let's continue to grow our community together by liking, sharing, and turning on your notification bells. So every single Wednesday and Friday when I upload new videos, you will be the first to know. So today we are talking about how your facial expressions can influence your emotions and your mood. So we know that facial expressions is a way for us to know how other people may be feeling and what emotions they are experiencing. Recent studies and Charles Darwin's theories on emotions and facial expressions believe that your facial expressions is not only a sign of the emotion that you are experiencing, but it actually contributes to the feeling itself. And it is not to say that facial expressions are more important than the thoughts or memories that promote the emotion felt. But these theories point to the physiology of facial expressions as a cause of the emotions felt. Dr. Robert Zajoc is a psychologist at the University of Michigan who recently conducted a study to test these two relationships. We have around 43 muscles within our face, and he believed that not all moods are due to the changes within the muscles in our face. Only that the facial actions we experience through muscles in our face is what leads to changes in mood. Dr. Zajoc, but let's call him Dr. Z, also discovered that there are certain facial muscles that tighten and relax, which also raise and lower the temperature of our blood that flows to our brain. These changes in temperature then affect the brain activity in the certain brain centers that regulate our emotions, such as the hypothalamus, which is profoundly involved with our emotional life. Our internal carotid artery is the main supply of blood to the brain, which flows through the cavernous sinus. If I'm not saying it correctly, I will leave the name below. And the cavernous sinus is aligned with vessels that go through our face. As our facial muscles relax, tighten, or stretch, the blood flow of the cavernous sinus also changes. So Dr. Z's theory believes that when you smile, the broader your smile is, the more you are tightening the muscles within your face, which decreases the blood flow that goes through the cavernous sinus, ultimately cooling the blood that we receive to our brain. And when you are presenting unhappy expressions like a scowl or a frown, you are tightening different areas within your facial muscles. And these unhappy expressions then increase the blood flow through the cavernous sinus, which heats the blood that flows to your brain. So if you've noticed, whenever you feel mad, whenever you feel anxious, whenever you feel frustrated, you feel your face turning red or you feel your body getting hot. So let's talk about how you can use your facial expressions to your advantage. So when you're getting work done and you're sitting at your office, or maybe while you're watching TV, you catch your mood and you feel that you're just in this neutral state. I know it's happened to me, especially when I'm watching TV and I don't feel very stimulated. I've noticed that my face is very relaxed to a point that I just don't feel very happy in that moment. And it's not the type of mood that I want to be in. So if you ever catch yourself in these moments where you find yourself in a neutral place and you want to increase and raise your vibrations, you want to stop what you're doing, allow your face to relax, and then focus on the facial expression that you want to use that's going to promote the emotion you desire. So at first, it might feel strange when you smile, right? Because you feel like you're forcing it, but you know that in the back of your mind, the more you begin to smile and hold the smile, not to the point that you're straining your face, but just like a nice soft grin, that is going to help you feel more happy and joyous emotions. And just like any new habit, the more you practice it, the more natural it will become. But if you feel strange doing this, then maybe just watching something on TV that makes you feel happier, that makes you want to smile or laugh, or speaking to someone someone who is also gonna help this facial expression come easier to you. Also, before you present a task or maybe even present a presentation or before a social interaction or while you're visualizing your manifestations, I suggest that you smile while going into these encounters or tasks. Because a simple smile, a little grin is going to help you find joy and experience joy as you take on these encounters and these activities, and also while you're visualizing your manifestation. Smiling is a simple energy boost that is going to create more fulfilling and satisfying experiences for you, which ultimately is going to promote more positive emotions. And when you begin to experience these positive emotions through the intentional action of smiling or grinning or even laughing or even feeling surprised, displaying any type of facial expression that is going to promote more positive emotions, that will come back to you. If you think about law of attraction, we think about an infinity symbol because the energy that surrounds us is what is attracted back to us. The effects of our facial expressions is seen as small, though significant. And Charles Darwin even stated that facial expression play an important role in prompting the feelings accompanied by that emotion. So when you're checking in with yourself and you're noticing how you're feeling, also take a few minutes to look in the mirror and see what your facial expression is. So next time you feel in a low state of vibration, try smiling. So I'm super excited for you to keep this energy tip in mind so you can make the most out of your day and experience the emotions that you desire. And let me know how this tip goes for you. You can email me or we can connect on Instagram at Be Bold, Be Fierce, Be You. So I am sending you tons of love and positive light your way. Thank you for tuning in, and let's spread the knowledge learned today by sharing this video.